All right, so the first thing we do, we already said we give it a good squeeze. Some of these are really tough, so what you gotta do sometimes is lay them on the ground, roll it over with your foot a little bit. That'll help loosen it up.
These things won't come out.
Flip it over, give it a little shake, and it should pop out just like that, okay?
Oh, sorry, you know you can cut it.
What you see going on behind me is called Revitalize, Restore, or Replant. We work with students at Fairfax County Public Schools, and we actually restore or create a pollinator meadow in their campus.
All the plants will collect the water, soak it, and it's gonna prevent stormwater. It's coming into the oceans and rivers and streams.
For bees, that's gonna make honey for us, and the butterflies, there's gonna be a lot of nectar. And so then the butterflies are gonna eat, and then they're gonna stay healthy, and then grow babies, and that process repeats.
This partnership is a wonderful opportunity for both Fairfax County Public Schools and Fairfax County Government to work together to create a wonderful pollinator garden in their backyard. It improves our landscape, increases infiltration, and beautifies everything around us. For the schools, it also helps infiltrate some of the extra storm water when it's running off a lemon road before it goes into the bioretention behind us.